We're going to end up dealing with clouds coming back. I'm sure a lot of you have already noticed that. And there's going to be chances of rain. We'll have some periodic scattered rain today. And then we're looking at likely rain possibilities as we hit Wednesday. Could we see a strong or severe storm risk Wednesday? That's also possible. We'll delve into the details on that. And if you miss any part of this video, you can watch it back on all of our digital platforms, the Fox 10 News Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube, the app, all the good stuff. So this should answer a lot of the questions, and let's get going and start talking about some of these things. We'll start with the radar at the time I'm doing this video, which is about 9:40 in the morning, and you can see some light scattered rain tracking from west to east, mostly along US 84. We'll see the coverage of rain increasing today, but no washouts, no major storm opportunities. The rain coverage today will be in the 30 to 40% range. South wind flow is back. Moisture levels are increasing. That's why the morning temps started off in the 60s, and the highs the next couple of days will be in the mid to low 70s. Muggier air is going to be on the way. The more widespread rain, though, well to the north of US 84. So we'll see a few showers and a few rumbles of thunder today, tonight, and tomorrow. What's going to happen is a front comes in tomorrow, and then it stalls off our coast. And then once that front is stalled, we have to watch out for a surface low that is currently south of California. See where that counterclockwise rotation of rain is happening south of LA? That low is coming towards us. And that thing is going to be riding the stalled front, and that will ramp up the chance of rain considerably for Wednesday. Wednesday could be a borderline washout, and because of the possibility of unstable air, there could also be a severe weather risk for Wednesday. For now, the severe risk zone is a level 2 on the 1 to 5 scale. The standard risk, it's for locations south of US 84. So heavy rain, yep, that's going to be possible, but also gusty straight line winds, and even an isolated tornado could occur. Now, the tornado risk is more of a possibility rather than a probability, but we're in March, we're in the spring tornado season, so things will have to be watched carefully. You'll have to make sure you have a way to get warnings. So Wednesday will be the day you definitely have to pay close attention to the weather. We'll be updating you on that as we get closer to the day after tomorrow, but the weather will turn cooler, drier, and better as we head in towards your Thursday and your Friday. Let's jump into the temperatures at 9:40 this morning. Most spots are in the upper 60s. Wilmer and Pascagoula, you're at 70. Most spots will top out in the lower 70s later this afternoon with breezy south winds. And the later into the afternoon we go, the better the chance for a few scattered showers. But remember, locations north of I-10 have the better chance to find that rain today. Let's go through it with the Fox 10 Futurecast. We run the clock forward. There's noon. Rain coverage does increase. We continue forward into the afternoon and evening. You see more scattered rain. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. Rain coverage comes back, so rain will kind of come and go today and tonight. Then we move forward into Tuesday, and the front will drop south. There's the front at 5 o'clock Tuesday, stretching from Loosedale to about Opp, and that will work its way south off our coast. And then the low that's in California begins to approach, and look at the showers intensifying from Gulf Shores to Destin. And then we'll see those lifting north as we approach mid-morning Wednesday. They'll be right around the I-10 corridor. Remember, Wednesday's the day with the biggest rain coverage and the chance for strong to severe storms. But one thing you need for severe storms is unstable air. This is a peek at the high-res NAM at noon Wednesday, and you can see most of the unstable air is out over the open waters of the Gulf. Only a small sliver of unstable air will be with us at that time, so most of the muggier air will be along the coast. That's a good sign. That would definitely lower the risk we would have for severe weather, but still, that can change. We'll have to watch things carefully, because if that unstable air moves on shore, the severe weather probabilities would begin to go back up. Here's a glimpse at the next 7 days, and you can see the rain coverage does peak on a Wednesday with that chance at 80%. Then we go cooler and drier by Thursday, and then the 3 driest days, you gotta like that. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, mid to upper 60s for highs those 3 days. Morning temperatures over the weekend, low 40s. And this weekend we do spring forward. That'll happen Saturday night. So yeah, you will lose an hour of sleep. But if you're like me, daylight saving time has got to be your favorite. You get those longer daylight hours in the afternoon, which is just really nice, and it makes you know that summer is going to be on the horizon. But that change will happen this weekend, and Wednesday is the day you got to make sure you stay weather aware. Now, in addition to the Fox 10 News Facebook page, if you haven't followed mine, please do. It's this one right here with the blue check mark. Just head there, hit the follow button. I can take an infinite number of followers, and you can also find me on Twitter and Instagram as well. I would love to have you on board, and I post weather content there all the time. Well, thanks for watching this. Hope it answered a lot of your questions. Wednesday is the day we're going to be watching and paying the closest attention to. Hit and miss rain and storms today and tomorrow, but hey, if we had to get 3 dry days on the board out of the 7, those are the 3 days you want: Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the coldest morning coming on Saturday morning with a temperature close to the 30s. Well, thanks for watching this video, and it'll be up all day on all of our digital platforms. I'll be back on the Fox 10 Morning News tomorrow. You'll have Jason in the Storm Tracker Center later today. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday, and I will see you on the air bright and early.